So guys, welcome to you all in my computer screen. So today I'm going to teach you how to delete all the gaps in Adobe Premiere Pro 2017. So in the latest version, there is a close gaps option available inside the sequence. So now you can see above the go to gap, so there will be another one option in newer versions, but in the 2017 there is no any options to delete all the gaps in one click. But in this time I'm just teaching you how to delete those all the gaps in Adobe Premiere Pro 2017 version. So now you can see here I have a few clips, and in every clips there is a gap, right? So I want to close all the gaps in Adobe Premiere Pro, or I want to delete all the gaps. So how to do that one? So first of all, you have to create an adjustment layer. Okay, so I have created a adjustment layer here, or you can just go to here in the add new item and just you can create an adjustment layer from here, but I have already created. So I'm just dragging this adjustment layer here, and I'm just stretching the adjustment layer in this side. So after dragging the adjustment layer, just you have to select all the contents which are all the spaces and the items which you want to delete the gaps. So after selecting all the elements or contents, then just you have to drag in the adjustment layer. So now you can see here all the contents came inside the adjustment layer, right? So after that, again you have to drag down. So now you can see it's came down, and all the adjustment layer have also separate gaps. So guys, after making a gap inside the adjustment layer, so just you have to select your all the adjustment layer, and just you have to right click and just you have to click in the ripple delete. Otherwise, just you have to go in the edit and you have to click in the ripple delete, or you can directly press shift plus delete button. So I'm just clicking here. So now you can see here your all the gaps is gone in one click. So in this way you can delete all the gaps in one click in Adobe Premiere Pro 2017. So thank you so much.